To be honest, I don't know where I'd be today without my mom. My mom has taught me so much about life, about being caring and compassionate, about being patient and understanding. My mom taught me to be humble and grateful, truly appreciate everything I have, everything I am, and everything I will become. My mother taught me to take each moment as it passes, to cherish it, to live in it, to be in the moment, to love and appreciate the here and now, no matter what that may be, to appreciate the sun as much as the flowers, to love the rain as much as the sun, to love what is, here and now.
Yo, 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 happy Mother's Day. Shouts to you, Mom. Thank you for teaching me so much about life and just being a great, awesome human and just helping me grow year after year. I love you to death. I wish I could be with you. Take care.